In today's free Capcut online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a free AI's voice character effect in Capcut desktop PC online for free completely in 2024. Drag your video clip onto the timeline down below that you want to add the AI character effect. Step number 2 is right click your clip and click transcript based editing. You will see this window to the left, which is the transcript window, and it will identify all of the words or the filler words, pause, hesitation, and repetitive words. Click remove filler words and then click delete. And as you can see, Capcut automatically made individual cuts to our previous one video clip, and now we have multiple cuts. So for each cut, you click on the first one, and then you right click and do the same thing, click transcript based editing. And as you can see now, instead of seeing all of the text, we only see the text for the certain highlighted clip that we selected. Now click the text in the beginning and the end, hold and highlight as it will highlight the text, and then click text template. Click a text that you want to add. In this case, I'm going to add the first one, so click the plus icon. And as you can see, it added the text on the screen. So now we're going to go over to the top right and click AI characters. Now you have a list of AI characters. As I'm zooming up and I'm zooming down to male and female. In this case, we'll use a male voice, Justin 3. So we'll click this to preview.
In today's free online video editing tutorial.
And then once you are satisfied with the AI character, click add. Wait for this to load. Okay, now this is our voice AI character.
In today's free online video editing tutorial.
So as you can see, we can still hear the audio of the video. So click the video clip and then right here down, drag this down below so it's a negative infinity decibels. And then with our text layer, we can click and click delete. And now this is what the AI voice character sounds like.
In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the voice AI characters audio and video feature in Capcut desktop PC online completely for free.
Now that actually sounds pretty legit, but if you do not like the sound and you want to change the sound, then click on your AI voice character, which is the second video layer on the timeline, and then go under to voice. And as you can see, there are a list of different voices that you can choose that are pro or paid, and then that are completely for free. In this case, I do like the voice for this AI voice character, the energetic male. So we're gonna leave it like that. If you want to repeat the same thing for your next video clip, then click on the video clip. Right click and click transcript based editing like we did with the first video clip. And as you can see, it now highlighted this text. So we can click and drag all the way to the bottom and then click text template, add your desired text. And as you can see, it did not add the text onto our second clip, but it added it to the beginning of the timeline or the video. So I'm clicking the text and I'm dragging it to the right, and then I'm dragging it to our second clip. And then now we go under to AI characters and do the same exact thing and click add. Okay, so the same thing, we can click our text layer and click delete, and then our video clip where we have audio, we do not want to hear it, drag this to the bottom so it's negative infinity decibels, and this is what our voice AI character sounds like.
Step number 1 is to drag your video on the timeline by clicking the plus. Step number 2 is to go on.
So in order to adjust your AI character, you click on the video clip, click on the player clip, and as you can see, we can drag this up or down to increase the scale of our AI character. Under the text tab, in this case, I'm using trending and I'm clicking the third option. Now, if you want to add a female voice character, you can do that as well. So we're going to go to our third video clip and repeat the process that we did with our first and second. Right click transcript based editing. It highlights the text. Click text template. Add your text. It goes to the beginning. We're right clicking or we're dragging it to the right, and then we're dragging it to our video clip. Go to AI characters, and in this example, I'm going to choose a female. So let's choose Julia Hone number 1. Once you're finished, and then click add. As you can see, it says can't use this feature with the text is longer than 500 words. So unfortunately, you're going to have to go to your video clip and you're going to have to create a cut. Create a cut by clicking B on your keyboard and clicking on your video on the timeline, and then click A to deselect. And now click on your new video clip, right click, transcript based editing, and as you can see, we have a shorter length of text. Highlight, text template, the first text, delete our old one if it's still there, and then repeat the process. AI characters, Julia Hone, number 1, not hacking yours, and then click add. Sometimes this may glitch on Capcut Online Desktop PC for free, or it says generating speech, but as you can see our AI video has completely loaded. In this case, you can click cancel, and as you can see we have our female voice AI. Delete the text, click on the video clip, and then -infinity decibels. This is what our voice AI character sounds like.
You're finished typing your text. You can double-click and you can change the font size or adjust your text accordingly.
And once the text is still and has been selected or is highlighted, you want to go. And there you have it. You have just learned how to create a free voice AI character audio music track piece for videos in Capcut PC Desktop Online completely for free in 2024. If you want to see more free online video editing tutorials for Capcut, Adobe Premiere Pro, you name it, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.